We've had many patients over the last few years come in to help them feel more beautiful about themselves. I know many patients have been happy with their experience here, getting treatments of all kinds from me. Moving into the future, I think there's a grander vision of what it means to help you achieve the most beautiful version of yourself. It's time to expand our scope of services, and what that means for me most immediately is stepping away from doing the non-surgical procedures. So like lasers, like Botox, injections, things like that. And in order to do that, I have to bring on more aesthetic professionals who are able to help complement my surgical prowess, my surgical skills in giving the patients the most complete version of the beauty journey. They can excel at Botox or fillers or lasers or microneedling. The first thing to remember about my stepping away from non-surgical procedures is that I still oversee the entire operation of our office. When it comes to the people that we vet, we make sure that number one, they fit our culture in terms of being passionate about giving you the best opportunity, the best experience in becoming the most beautiful version of yourself. And then also we have to vet for the skill set, obviously. And so I have great aesthetic professionals who are by my side, and we talk over each patient's beauty. We have dedicated time in the mornings to discuss, hey, what is this patient's concern? What is their beauty goal? And so, I'm always involved in overseeing the treatment plans for our patients. Regardless of what the concern may be, I want you to have the best experience here in terms of achieving the most beautiful version of yourself. So what it's allowed me to do is kind of zoom out a little bit. And in terms of zooming out, what that means for me is seeing a more complete picture of what the patient journey looks like. When I think of analogies, I often turn to food. And so if I think about a food analogy, you can be the line cook, you can be plating, you can be making the appetizer, entree, and dessert. And what this process is now looking more like is I'm kind of the head chef, if you will. And so I may not be directly cooking every part of your meal, but I am overseeing every aspect of it, making sure that it's good quality, it's presented in the right way, things like that. For me, it's more about overseeing the entire experience from a zoomed out point of view, and also figuring out how to provide the best value for the patient at each point of their experience. We're taking some steps in the very near future to enhance the patient experience, to maximize the quality of your results, and to help you achieve the most beautiful version of yourself. So stay tuned, because we got a lot coming your way.